Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Monday. So today I'm going to unbox my July Birchbox, and if you're interested to see what I got this month, then keep on watching. Oh, the box is so pretty and I broke a nail, but that's fine. That's fine. So this is how the box looks like, and it's so pretty. It's shiny and I love this fire bright orange. This is so cute, like it goes so nice with my orange nails. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's see. Oh, this is in collaboration with Lotion, and let's see what we have inside. I bet we have a coupon code from Lotion or something like that. Let's see. So it says Birchbox and Lotion. So this is the theme for this month. Very cute. I love the card. We have interesting products this month. So the card is so cute, and as I said, we have a coupon code for Lotion. I'm going to link it down below if you want to use that, but hurry. So this is a 10 euros off of your purchase and is available till the end of this month. And let's see what we got this month. So I see a sheet mask, but let's start with this one. So this is a hydrating shampoo and it's from the brand number 4, and yeah, it's cute. Let me smell this first. Oh, it smells so good. This is 100% vegan, no parabens, no toxic ingredients, no alcohol, no sulfates. This is so cute. So definitely I'm going to give this a try because I love good shampoo. So this retails for 24 euros and 50 cents. Alright, next we have a cream, I guess. Oh my god, so I just got this in my last Birchbox. This is from Sabon, and this is a body lotion, delicate jasmine enriched with olive oil and avocado oil. And I'm pretty sure that I got this in my May Birchbox. I'm not 100% sure, but I got something from, or maybe it was a shampoo, I don't know exactly, but I got a product from this brand very recent. So this is a body lotion and this retails for 19 euros. So let's smell this. Oh, this is sealed, but I think I'm going to open this. And I do really love when they seal samples. That's a plus. Like, in my opinion, that's a plus. Smells like something that my grandma used. I think it was a clothing softener or something like that, but this reminds me of something when I was a child, like specifically my grandma used something with this smell. Yeah, what can I say? Next we have a lipstick or a lip gloss, and this is by the brand Doucce. And I remember that I got a mascara from this brand and it was so good. The one that was a little bit too big for me, but it was nice. It says Luscious lip stain and this is in the shade Red Mystique. So I just swatched this on my hand, and this is a matte lipstick, but as you can see, this sinked into my lines. So definitely I need to use a lip liner with this, because if not, it's going to be a little bit messy on my lips, and the formula is very watery. So yeah, this retails for 25 euros and is a little bit expensive in my opinion. Like, it's a matte lipstick, 25 euros. Dose? What? So yeah. Alright, so next we have another cream. This is by the brand Polaar, and this is face SPF, well, face and body. This has 30 UVA and UVB, and it says Velvety Sun Fluid Face and Body. Cute. It says, this silky high protection fluid with perfect balance of UVA and UVB filters helps fight against sunburns and premature aging. Its light, non-greasy formula applies easily without leaving any white streaks. Apply generously before exposure. Free of paraben, alcohol and mineral oil, dermatologist tested, water resistant. So this is very cute and I'm excited to try this. And as I said, this is by the brand Polaar and retails for €25.90. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one and let's see how this smells, if it has that SPF smell. And again, this is another sealed sample. So this is already absorbed into my skin and feels like nothing. The smell is very light, smells like orangey, I don't know, citrusy smell kinda, but it doesn't smell like an SPF and that's amazing. I'm excited to try this one. Like, I'm so excited to try you. Alright, so the last product we have is this sheet mask. This is by the brand Vitamasques and it says made in Korea. So it says moisturizing Korean face mask made with extracts of Manuka honey to nourish your skin. So this is so cute. I'm excited to try this one. Look how cute this looks. So I haven't used a sheet mask in 2 months, I think, because I'm lazy. So let's see. Alright, so this retails for €4.55 and this is a full-size product. Alright guys, so this was my July Birchbox and honestly I'm excited to try the sheet mask, the SPF cream and the lipstick. These two are like and honestly it was a nice box and the actual box is so pretty. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. We can just dance to this. No. Alright, so now I have red fingers. They're so cute.